we understand it's serious. What are some extreme things that could go wrong in a person's body when they keep snoring?
Spouses tell me that my husband has a choking episode. He'll suddenly wake up and then he'll adjust and he goes back to sleep, and that's quite scary. Heart issues, congestive heart disease, or a heart failure. It can also lead to stroke formation.
Is it the symptoms that decide how serious it is?
The symptoms can be, again, daytime sleepiness, tiredness, they'll have anxiety issues, they'll have brain fog, they'll be irritable, they will have acidity issues, they will have diabetes, they'll also have hypertension.
Check out the full video linked below to understand this in detail.